Hola a todos and welcome back to the channel. I'm in a wee corner of Los Alcázares, at the corner of calle Miguel Hernandez. And I'm here because somebody had asked me to do a walk from this area down to the Plaza de Espejo, where a statue stands, and I believe the statue used to stand somewhere up here. So I'm just going to have a wander down here and just see what we see. I can't even remember who asked me to do it or what the reason for the video was, but I'm doing it anyway, so let's see what we end up with. So this part of Los Alcázares is very Spanish. It's mostly all Spanish. And I'm just going to cut across the road here. There's a little kiosk that sells newspapers and magazines and water and juice and all sorts of stuff that's here. So it might give you an idea of where we are. But I'm actually going to cut across here and walk down the Rambla. Now, for those of you who watch the channel, you'll have seen that I did a couple of videos in Los Alcázares when the floods were happening. And in particular, we included a bit where all the water was running down this Rambla. So I wanted to show you the contrast between what that one looked like, and I'll try and snip a little corner of that video and include it in this if you haven't seen it. But we're just going to walk down this Rambla if I can. I've never walked down here before. I've only ever parked either side of this to go to the Tuesday market. So I don't know what I'm going to find, but this part of it is just it's just a quiet little park area, a little square, lots of seating around. And as I walked down, I seen just Spanish people sitting outside a little coffee shop playing dominoes, just outside. Maybe four groups of 4 men and 1 woman, just sitting playing dominoes in the afternoon sunshine. Isn't it fantastic? So as I say, I don't know what I'm going to find here, but let's just film it and see if I can walk all the way down. And I must say a massive hello to Jim and his wife Tracy that I met in Campbell's a couple of weeks ago. I forgot to add that into the video, so Jim, I'm really sorry about that. Great couple from Liverpool. He watches all my videos and he came over and said hello, so I appreciate that. And if you see me out and about, don't forget to just say hello and let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like me to focus on. So I'm just at the start of the Rambla here. It's amazing to think water runs right down here, because looking at it at the minute, you would never know. You would never know that this is the runoff for all that excess water when it comes. I'll just whip the camera around and let you have a look. Now, I don't know if this was used as a car park, or what the use of it is. Do you know? Do you know what this Rambla down the middle of Los Alcázares was designed for? Is it purely for water runoff, or is it for something else? I have seen cars parked in here sometimes, but very, very rarely. Yeah, looks like there's some little tunnels here, which I don't know if I can get through, or whether I should actually just get back up onto and cross up the road and cross the road. I don't know, let's have a wee look. I'm only a short arse, so I should be able to crouch down to get through it. So this, just while I see it, this is the part that I stood just at the corner there and I recorded down into this Rambla. So I'll probably try and get a little bit of footage and put that in for you. So it's right beside this Espressarse bar and coffee. So if you know where that is. Yeah, but this was it, this was all underwater, so I'll just try and cut through here. Quite a lot of just dried dried riverbed and sand and mud. I'm sure people use this for sleeping and people that are homeless. Let's just cut through. I hope I don't stand on any quay. If you're not sure what quay is, look it up in Google. Scottish word quay. Sorry for the crunchy leaves. There you go. So we've come through the other side. This is the main road here. Just lots of rubbish lying around. This bit is occasionally used for parking as well. I've seen cars parked in here, but I don't know if it's an official or an unofficial car park. But I know how you love a blue sky, and have a look at that. You know, we're sitting around 22 degrees today, and at the time of filming, you know, this video is being shot on the 7th of December. That's not too bad, is it? 22 degrees on the 7th of December. Anyway, let's carry on up through the back streets towards the Plaza de Espejo. So I'm just going to explain the bars for those of you who think it's not a safe place to live because of all the bars that are here. Now, the bottom line is, Spain's a hot country. That goes without saying. You know, here in this area we get around 320 days of sunshine a year, and it's fantastic, I've got to say. But the thing is, during the summer months the houses are really, really hot. They're designed to be cool, but you know, obviously with the sun being so hot, it's difficult to cool houses down. And you've got to remember that traditionally houses didn't have air conditioning. So all the houses in Spain, you know, the older houses, they'll all be built with bars on the windows. And it's simply to allow people to open their windows all day, whether they're at home or not, so that they can let the air blow through the houses. You know, it is a security feature as well, I suppose, to stop people breaking in, but the reality is that people can go out and just leave their houses open with the windows wide open and all the bars on to stop it. So that's the main reason for it. So don't listen to any of the internet trolls who say otherwise. I've just got to buzz the camera around here because I've got to show you this. This is a great little chapel here. Iglesia de la Asunción. Fantastic little place. It's all lit up at night and it looks great. One of those little gems that's just tucked away in the side streets. And I know I've always said that in my videos, you know, when you're walking around, you've got to get off the beaten track. Don't just stick to the main drags, get yourself round some of the back roads. The sun's at the wrong angle for me today, I'm afraid, but there's not much I can do about that. It's just one of these things. Yeah, so get yourself off the beaten track into some of the back roads and have a look at real Spain. You know, because life is happening in the back streets, off the main drag, while people are just sticking to the main roads. So make sure you do that. So again, just carrying along here, it's pretty much the same as what we've seen before, but if I just look down to the right, look how close you are to the Mar Menor. Look at that. Isn't it fabulous? It's looking really nice today, I've got to say, but we'll pick the Mar Menor up when we get to the Plaza de Espejo. Playa, I'm saying plaza, what am I thinking? Totally different things. Apologise for every time I've said plaza when it should be playa, and I know it's playa. Why am I saying playa? So Playa de Espejo, which is just probably only 3 minutes from here. So we'll pick it back up when I get further along to that. What a tube. I've just realised why I was saying Plaza de Espejo, because that's where I wanted to go. The Plaza de Espejo is the mirror place, and the Playa de Espejo is the beach. So just getting old, I think. So bear with me. Anyway, we're just round the corner here, so let's have a look. So yeah, forgive that senior moment that comes to us all. We're just coming along here, again continuing through the little narrow back streets. You know, and this is traditional Los Alcázares. Seldom see properties for sale in these little back streets, but you know, this is the Calle de Futbol. You can see it there on the wall, and I'm just going to turn down the road here and look how close you are to the beach. Literally steps from the beach down to the Plaza de Espejo. So, Mirror Place effectively, or Mirror Square. And this little square is used for events. You know, we've seen live bands here at various festivals. It's well used during any festival that's on, and there's a lot of festivals going on in the area at the minute. The Fiesta Patronales to celebrate the local saints, and all the little surrounding villages have got fireworks displays and concerts on and everything else, so it's quite noisy at night. And this brings us down to the statue that I was asked to come and walk from that bit of Los Alcázares to here. There it is. You can see his little chiringuito here, people just enjoying the afternoon sun. Monumento al Huertano. So let's see what that means, and I'll put it up in a little caption across the bottom and let you know what it's all about. And that brings us down to the beach. The Playa de Espejo. And you can see that it's very quiet today. You know, 22, 23 degrees is too cold for the Spanish to come and sit. And that's not a slur on the Spanish, that's just the reality of it, that they do feel the cold because they're acclimatised to it. Anyway, that was just a wee quick walk through a part of Los Alcázares that you might not have seen before. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, just click on like and subscribe. Look out for future videos, and we'll see you all in the next one. Hasta luego.